Hey Doug, how you doing today? You spoke with my wife and my partner Mary yesterday, so just want to say thank you for taking the time with speaking with her and then as well as watching this screencast. So really quickly, I just wanted to go over three things I found on your website you can do super easy to beat out Sacramento tree service. As we see, they're ranked right here at the top of Google when you search in Sacramento tree service. They're ranked first right here, and they're ranked third right here on this first page. And you guys can be there super easily as well. So and the reason I chose this keyword is because it's one of the highest search volumes. It gets about 720 searches a month. So definitely a keyword that you guys want to be ranking for right here. Like I said, I'm gonna talk to you about three things today. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is content. As you see, we have you guys' website pulled up right here, and Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these home pages right here, because not only do they believe that's what's going to keep customers on your page longer, Google believes that's what's going to keep customers on Google longer, which is going to give them a higher chance to really just sell these ads that they have here. See, there's ads right here at the top, ads right here at the top of here, and then ads down here at this bottom of this page is right here. So Google's all about making money. So they're crawling websites, seeing who has the most authoritative content to put them front and center on this homepage right here. Because as we know, it's very valuable being on this homepage right here. About 70% of people are on this homepage. Not too many people are going to the second, third, let alone fourth page. Scan websites and find out who has the best website to put them front and center right here. So equally important to content on these home pages is these keywords right here that I was kind of talking about. As we see, this gets 720 searches a month, and so putting this on your home page and putting some of these other high volume keywords on your home page will actually help Google rank you for it. So when people are searching these keywords right here, you want Google to send that traffic to your website, because if Google's scanning your page and see that you have this exact keyword on your home page, Google's going to actually rank you for it and then put you up here so the customers can know that you have this service available. So content and keywords, that's what's going to help you rank very very high organically down here in this section right here. But the next thing I want to talk about is called backlinks. And a backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is very very important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see trustworthy companies that's vouching for your company. So they'll give you a lot more power if you're using other tree services and other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut sending you links back to your website, because Google knows you don't make pizzas for a living, so they're not going to give you very much credibility for that. So I like to use Ahrefs to check this. Ahrefs goes directly through Google, so it's a very trusty site I like to use. So as we see, you guys have 14 different websites that you're using, giving you a total of 34 times that DougPetersonTreeService.com is listed in other websites right here. So, and we can also see the amount of keywords you guys are using. So if we hop over here to the competitors, the tree services Sacramento, we see they have 118 different websites, giving them a total of 187 backlinks. So it's not about how many backlinks you have, it's about the authority. So how much, like I said, how many trustworthy backlinks you have. So and you can also see the keywords they're using as well. So for backlinks, we can come in here. We can see exactly what websites that they have their company listed in, and if these was good enough to get them ranked first, they'll definitely be good enough to get you ranked first. So you want to come in here, you want to grab these for your website. So a lot of these are blog spots. So you want to create an account, leave a little blog comment, and then drop a link to your website at the end. Or some of these are directories, so you just create an account and then you just leave your website address at the as you're making the account. But so we want to come through here. We want to take all the powerful ones they have and then go out and get better ones, because you don't want to just tie with these guys. You don't want to just take some of these trash ones they have. You want to go out and get better ones and really just blow these guys out of the water. So with those two tips, with the content and the backlinks, that's going to get you ranked number one across Google in this organic listing section. If you want to be ranked number one right here in this Google My Business section, the Google Map Pack, GMB, whatever, a lot of people call it different things. This has everything to do with citations, and a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is anywhere you can just list your business, so such as like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, you guys are pretty good in this aspect. you have 38 citations, which is definitely more than Tree Service Sacramento. They have 35, but again, they're ranking higher than you because not only do they have a similar amount of citations, but their organic listing, their organic ranking is a lot better than yours right now. So Google's always gonna revert back basically to organic traffic. So if all in all was evil or was equal, if you had the same organic traffic as these guys and you had the same citations, they would throw you guys above them. But since you don't have very much organic traffic right now, they're gonna throw those guys ahead of you because it's basically, like I said, a popularity contest. So but when it comes to citations, you want to see exactly what citations they have that you don't have, and then you want to go grab those for your company. And then if you have three more than these guys, I would recommend going out and getting 50 more than these guys to just really just put yourself over the top of these people right here. So with those three tips, that's what's going to help you get ranked number one across all of Google right here in your local area. And then I try to be brief as possible, so sorry if I went a little bit longer, but quick recap, we went over 1,500 words of content with those high volume keywords on this homepage. Then we went over backlinks, going out and grabbing those powerful backlinks to just really drive your guys' website. And then as well as going out and getting those citations that you guys want to be having, and just really just going out and getting more so you can be dominant over these guys. So again, my name is Devin. Thank you for your time, Doug. My partner's name is Mary. We'll be reaching out to you soon, but if you want to reach out to us before then, our cell phone number is 775-402-2885. And if you have any questions, please feel free to hit us up. Thank you.